Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mastering Excel with Rinkoo. This channel is focused upon lesser known features of MS Excel. Today we are going to talk about fill feature. In our last video we talked about fill feature for series of numbers. Today we are going to talk about fill feature for series of date. This includes day, weekday, month and year. So we'll talk about both with both fill handle and the fill feature. From fill handle, we'll fill the series of a day. We have written a date and we'll just drag it downwards. It has been dragged in a series of dates from 1 to 15th of January. Now we'll try the same thing with fill feature. I'll go to date, home, editing, fill. I'll select date and I'll say day. Step value is 1 and stop value is 15th January. I'll say OK and it has filled the date up to 15th of January. We'll talk about date series for weekday. In this case, since we do not remember the weekday for the dates, I'll just write the number of dates here and I'll say weekday, fill feature using, and I'll say 1 and I'll say 20th of January. So this is the way fill feature uses the weekday. Now I'll try to replicate this list in the fill handle. I'll start with 3 dates initially. 1st January, 4th January, 5th January, because 2nd, 3rd was a weekend. So I'll drag it and see what happens. It has copied the same number. So I'll try with different set. I'll take 1 week complete and I'll drag it. No, but it's doing the same thing. It's replicating the same number again and again. So, which means weekday feature does not work for fill handle. Let's go for series of month. I've written the series of month by 1st January, 1st February and I'll drag it. Let's see what happens. It has dragged the months only. Let's try it with fill feature. I'll go to editing, fill and series, date and month for columns. Step value is again 1. I'll say OK. And the data is for months here. Now let's try for the last one, which is year. So I'll go to fill handle again. I'll start with 2021, then 2022, and then I'll drag it. If I start with the fill feature, it will be 1st January. Then I'll say year and I'll say 2034 and I'll say OK. So as you can see, fill feature works for both. If you want to know more about the features of MS Excel, please refer to my book A to Z of MS Excel. It is available on Amazon and details are given in description box below. If you think this channel is useful, please subscribe to it. Please like my video if you like it. Thank you and have a nice day.